So today on our program, we were with Ellen Schwartz. She's the General Manager of the Los Angeles Convention Center. Ellen, welcome to the program.
Hey, Jeff. Thanks for having me.
So there's something unique about your convention center.
There's many things that are unique about our convention center.
I think it's a woman run.
Well, yeah, that's definitely one of the unique things about it. I'm fortunate to lead a really great team here, and we're in a fantastic destination. Downtown Los Angeles has been ever evolving over the last 10 to 20 years. It's changed so dramatically, and the convention center has really been part of the hub of what's helped make that change happen. So it's been an exciting time for us.
Really cool. Now, recently, you guys attained the GBAC STAR accreditation program.
Yes.
So, congratulations.
We
So
were
tell us
very
about
excited.
that process. Was that easy?
Well, I wouldn't say it was easy. We had a team here that was very dedicated to getting that certification done. We felt it was a super important thing for us to have going forward for a number of different reasons. Safety and security have always been a big concern of ours here in Los Angeles, but with COVID-19, having cleaning and cleaning protocols that made sense and that dealt with the things that we were dealing with really came to our forefront, and GBAC was really the way to go to make that happen. So to instill confidence in really everyone, our stakeholders, whether it be our employees, our guests who come to the venue, the community at large, and everyone else, it was really important to have a means to verify that our practices were in line to keep everybody safe.
Yeah, I know you are anxious to have events.
Oh, yeah.
So what will GBAC STAR mean for this, for your attendees, your people?
Well, I think first of all, it gave us a framework to put our cleaning protocols into. And so, the 20 different points that you have to meet in the process of getting certified really solidified everything, and be able to have a plan for our people that work here in the facility to ensure that is, we have a new term now here. It's called CSD that none of us were aware of before, which is clean, sanitize, and disinfect. So, a three-pronged approach to cleaning is now just more than dusting or sweeping or whatever else. So I think what we're going to have with the GBAC is a sense of confidence that the certification gives, that when people come here, they're in a building that they know is being taken care of in a way that makes it safe and healthy to be there.
All right. So if some of your peers said, Ellen, what should we do? What would you tell them?
Well, I think the GBAC certification is very important. It was an important thing for us. We are also part of the ASM Global Network, which has a program called Venue Shield, which was very helpful for us in trying to combine all these things into making really what we think is the best of the best. And so that we'll be at the forefront of having the right protocols that will make everybody safe. So I would certainly recommend the certification. I think it lends a sense of credence that it's an outside third party that has come in and developed these things. Our staff work very closely with Dr. Gavin Skinner on your team, on the GBAC team, and to help walk us through it. And it was really a very collaborative process, and really learned a lot, I think, both ways going through the process.
Yeah, Dr. Gavin's a great guy.
Yeah.
And I'm sure he was a big help to you guys. So you guys are really a woman-run organization.
Yes.
What does that mean?
Well, that's a really great question. I think women, we tend to have a little bit different take and look at things. I think some would say our leadership styles are a little bit different. I think you'd probably have to ask my team what they think what the difference is, because they've been led by men and now they've been led by a woman. So I think
we can ask them for sure one day.
Yeah. I think it's the perspective that's, slightly different. We approach problems in a different way. I think myself in particular, I'm very collaborative. I rely and, the staff that is around me, we have a fantastic team, and I appreciate their input. I think I also appreciate all the different kinds of input that I get and take all those things into consideration when making some kinds of decisions.
All right. Well, good to catch up with you, Ellen. And one day we'll be out there at one of your events.
Absolutely, absolutely. I know. I actually listened to Lee Zeidman's interview, and he offered you, a game ticket. I'll offer you to come visit us at one of our fantastic events that we have here, like the LA Auto Show E3 or LA Comic Con. We have all kinds of fantastic events here, and so please, you'll come out and enjoy one of the events that we have here in Los Angeles.
Yeah, it's amazing what the opportunities that I have now. All right, Ellen.
All right, as you move around the country, you'll get more, I'm sure.